Hi everyone, so today's video is just a quick one to let you know that I've got some retired product that is now on my applelover53.co.uk website, and you can find the product under the shop tab and then scroll down to retired Stampin' Up product. So I just thought I'd run through what I've got. I've got a mixture of stamp sets, a couple of ink pads, some dies and some designer series papers. So I'll just show you quickly what there is available. This is all there is, so when it's gone, it's gone. So if there's anything that you see that you want, grab it while you can. All the prices will be on the website. So the first pack is 18 pieces of 6x6 designer series paper, and this is the Feels Like Frost designer series paper from about a year or so ago. So you may not get every design that was in the original pack because I can't remember how many patterns there were, but there are 18 pieces. This particular pack is the speciality paper, so it's like photographic images on one side and then the back of all the papers is silver and it's different designs. So that's the first one. The second pack I've got is 10 sheets of 6x6, and this was from the Plaid Tidings suite. Again, you'll not get all the designs that were in the original pack, but you will get a variety of some of them, and it's literally what you see is what you get. I've got 2 packs of mixed 6x6 designer series papers, and this is various papers that we had about a year ago. So there's some like from the Best Dressed. I can't remember what's in here. I think this was Tropical Paradise or something like that. But I've got 2 packs of this one, both the same, and there's 11 sheets of 6x6. Again, it's all double-sided. I've got 2 packs of the Best Dressed designer series paper. There's 13 sheets of 6x6 in these packs. 1 pack of the Come Sail Away designer series paper. I think you've got maybe 5 designs in here, but again, it's all double-sided and 13 sheets of 6x6. I've got a little pack of kind of like from the Frosted Gingerbread suite. This is what I'm just calling a variety pack. You've got 3 sheets of 6x6. You've got 4 sheets of 4x6 designer series paper. Then you've got 9 of the 4x6 Memories and More cards, which are all double-sided, and 28 of the 3x4 Memories and More cards. And then the final pack is from the Whimsy and Wonder suite, and this contains 6 pieces of double-sided designer series paper at 12x6, 6 pieces of 4x6, and then I've just thrown in a couple of scraps. So that's all the designer series paper. All the prices will be on the website with the postage. I've got 3 ink pads. This is all retired product, and these are literally hardly used. So I've got Seaside Spray, Rococo Rose and Pretty Peacock, and I've just stamped them so that you can see the ink quality. So they will all be on the website as well. I've got a pack of dies. These are the Gingerbread Dyes. So these have just retired in January 2022. It's a complete pack of all the dies. I've also got the stamp set, Frosted Gingerbread Photopolymer stamp set that went with that die set, but they will be listed separately. Now, photopolymer does stain, but it doesn't affect the quality of the stamped image. So if I show you, obviously this has been stamped in red, so it's looking a little bit pinky. Some of the designs in here you can see I've not used. All the information about how many stamps and everything will be on the website. The next set I've got is Forever Lovely, again photopolymer. There's 13 stamps in this set. I think I've used virtually all of these. Again, stained, but doesn't affect the stamping quality. Pretty Perennials is a photopolymer stamp set. 21 stamps in this set. Literally only used a couple of them. Floral Essence, again photopolymer. Used quite a lot of this one, just a couple of the greetings that I didn't use. Punch Party, brand new, never used. Now we're on to the red rubber cling stamp sets. So the photopolymer, you need some kind of inbuilt cushioning. So when you're stamping them, either just put a stack of paper underneath them, or if you've got one of our Stampin Pierce mats, use that just to give yourself a bit of cushioning. But all our cling are all red rubber and they have the inbuilt cushioning, so that's not needed. So I've got Whimsical Tree, it's got 10 stamps in it. Really didn't use this one very much, so like brand new. Be Jolly, again, only made a couple of cards with this. Seasons of Fun, love this stamp set, just really didn't get round to using it very much before it retired. I think I made a couple of cards with it, so you've kind of got this like autumn one, you've got the little girl on the roller skates with like a pumpkin in her hand and on her head. You've got this cute little character here pulling a sleigh with a Christmas tree on it. Then you've got the dog and you've got some stars and some leaves. Just love it. A fun little stamp set. Really love it. No greetings in this one, just all images, and 7 images in the set. Popular celebration from last year, the Darling Donkeys. Again, complete set, 8 stamps in the set. So Sentimental, I loved this. Stitched So Sweetly dies that went with this set are still available, and I do use the dies a lot. But they retired the stamp set, and the greetings are lovely. Again, all red rubber cling. And then the final one, another one that I absolutely loved, but never really got to use very much. I think I only made a couple of samples with this. Joyful Life. Friends like you make life a joy, a little something for a great person, season's greetings for you. So those other greetings could be anything. You've got the little guy on the bike with his little friend. You've got this little pig here with like a coffee cup, and then you've got the hedgehog. Absolutely lovely, cute set. 9 stamps in that set. So that's all the Stampin' Up! Retired product that's now all available on my website. So literally, as I say, this is all I've got. It will tell you whether there's more than one of anything, and all the prices are there with the postage and everything. So if you missed out on anything, or you had things on your wish list and you just never got round to buying it, and then it's sold out or it retired, grab yourself a bargain while you can. Okay, thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.